Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
Mine is Andrew.
Today we're going to scratch on Andrew's account, Techno 468.
Today I'm going to show you my project called Find the CREWMATES version 1.2. So this is the second version. So I added some new rules. Okay, so first I changed the news to a new song. Then I also changed and I added a thumbnail, as you can see here. So when green flag clicked, it'll go to front layer, and then it'll show, wait 3 seconds and hide. So it'll appear for 3 seconds until you can start the game. So I added roles like engineer and scientist. So Mr.Cheese and White are engineers. So engineers can vent in Among Us. So here in this project, they will disappear. So when green flag clicked, it'll set a vent variable to 0. Forever, set vent to pick a random 1 to 2, so vent will have 1 or 2 in it, and then if vent equals 2, then it'll hide, wait 15 seconds and show, so it basically vent for 15 seconds. Else, if vent is 1, then it'll just wait 10 seconds because you don't want it to keep pick a random 1 to 2, or it'll just keep appearing and disappear. For white, it's the same, but it's just changed a variable. For yellow is a scientist, so scientists can look at vitals and they can see if who is the imposter. So when this red clicks, so when you eliminate yellow, the change is scientist dead by 1, which is a variable. So when green flag clicked, it'll switch backdrop to looking sus, which is a Polus backdrop. So I changed it. So it is scientist eliminated to 0. And then we wait 10 seconds. So you have 7 seconds to eliminate the scientist because a thumbnail takes 3 seconds to disappear. So if scientist eliminated equals 1, then I'll switch backdrop to win, which is a win screen. So there's you win and you lose. So then I'll switch backdrop to win and I'll stop the game. And else, if scientist eliminated equals 0, then switch backdrop to lose, and stop all. Okay, so now let's play. Each of us are gonna do one turn. Okay.
Andrew's going first.
Yeah, okay.
Yellow.
No. Okay, I lose. That's fast because they keep moving every half a second. Your turn.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. No. Right.
You can't just click everywhere.
But I'm trying to track it down.
You can. You follow it with quick reactions. I'm way better at touchscreen.
Yeah, because it's like, you can just down.
Last time. You eliminated yellow. So you win. Yay. Congratulations.
Yay.
So you can try it out yourself. Well, that was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.